Welcome back to the shop. You just got home from your friend's birthday/graduation party and you find this in your yard. Alrighty, Daniel went through a lot of work to rescue these logs from going to the dump. First thing we need to do is we need to protect them. And to protect them, what we're going to do to start is we're going to even up these uneven logs.
How do you even up a log?
Come over here and I'll show you. Alrighty, this is an uneven log here. This is where they notched the log to make sure when they cut it and they fell it, it falls the direction they want it to, as opposed to the direction they don't want it to.
That would be bad.
That would be bad. So this right here has to be evened up. So we can put some Anchorseal on here so we can prevent checking.
And what is checking?
Well, come on with me and I'll show you. Alrighty, so what is checking? Checking is where the water, the moisture, leaves the log way too fast and it results in cracking of the log. It looks like this. Alright, checking's cracking in the end of the log and that results in lost board footage. This is what checking looks like.
Is that all we need to do to protect the logs?
No, there's a few other things we need to do. Next, we need to protect the logs from insect damage. Now, how do you do that? Well, there's a million ways to do it. One of the more common ways is to use a borate product. Before you use a borate product in your area, make sure you know and understand the rules, laws, and regulations for your area. There's also people who report using baking soda as an antifungal, and white vinegar apparently works well to prevent not only some funguses, but also insect damage. The particular product that you choose to use would be your choice. Alright guys, the next step in protecting our logs, and remember these are valuable commodities that Daniel worked hard for us, is we want to get these logs at least 4 inches off the ground. We use timbers that we cut previously. They're Maggie approved.
And is that all we need to do?
That's it. That's the final step. The next step, we take them to the mill when we're ready to cut some boards. Alrighty guys, let's get busy protecting these logs. Alrighty guys, it was a busy day today. We got all of the logs, the ends of them squared up. We got them sealed to protect the ends. Got them sprayed with insecticide, fungicide to keep the bugs and the fungus off them. And we loaded them up here on the 6x6s to keep them up off the ground. So that pretty much does it today. Now all there's left is a little bit of cleanup for me to kick back, put my feet up, and enjoy a little cool water in the rest of my Sunday afternoon.
Hey, baby. You gonna help me unstack all these cedar boards so I can make me some more tables?
Guess not, guys. As always, we'd like to say thank you for watching the video. And remember, we'd love to see you back in the shop. Welcome back to the shop. You just attended your daughter's boyfriend boy. Just attended a friend's birthday / graduation.